There are so many plots that exist, out of which corner plots is one of the most debated ones. Today, let us try to tackle both residential corner plots and commercial or corner plots and what are its approaches as per Vastu. Now, as per Vastu, not all corner plots are auspicious or inauspicious. It's very, very important to know their ideology and functionality to understand its approach. Firstly, a corner plot is anything where two roads meet at a junction and two sides of the road or two sides of the site are actually adjoining a road. So now that you've understood the basic logistic of a corner plot, let us try to understand it in a residential property aspect. Firstly, when you understand a residential, corner plot, one thing you have to know, the whole concept of a residential space is for making it a private space. Having two road being opened gives the space or site more visibility, which is not generally considered good as per Vastu. So hence, when anybody stays in a corner plot or any house is built in a corner plot, there are three stages at which you can see negative effects hitting the residential plot. Firstly, either the head of the house tends to have financial setbacks. The second stage goes into being where the children of the house are either having issues regarding education or just overall enrichment. Third, what happens is over a period of time, if there are any old people or aged people living in the space, they tend to go into loneliness or feel a sense of detachment. The reason being, most of the times, as per many researches that have been conducted or just case studies that have been seen, what happens is most of the times the children go either study abroad or they tend to have something happen to them or something like that, and the old parents tend to live alone in that house. So these kind of contexts actually arise. So that is why, as per Mahavastu, having a corner plot is not considered auspicious for a residential setup. But when you take it in the commercial setup or a commercial space, the whole purpose of commercial place is to give more visibility into the space or a plot. So having two roads which give them that eligibility, give them that opportunity or visibility can actually prove good. So if you do have any businesses, especially commercial, and it is located in any corner space, you will be able to see that they do get a lot of benefits. So you can consider these, but again, to make most out of it, as per I would suggest, do go to an expert where there is a combination of disciplinaries in both Vastu and astrology to see if corner plots can be best suitable for you or not. They do go through your astrological birth charts to give you an accurate prediction and understanding what to do and which kind of plot to choose. So saying that, I hope this gave you a briefer idea as to how plots are approached in corner plots, especially for both residential and commercial plots.